My name's Nick Belardes. I'm the author of Random Obsessions and other weird stuff. And this is the Xhale. I'm not a smoker. I've never smoked a day in my life, and you can see there's no fire burning on the end of this or anything. And here we go. I'm going to try it. Funky. It looks weird. I think I want another one. I could become a smoker. I won't even smell like smoke because of this thing. This is awesome. It's gonna make my writing better. I can already tell you. Addictions are good for writing. Xhale.